It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 21st of December. I'm Michael Groff. A little early Christmas present for you. I know it's not Photo Friday, but Tyler did send in these videos, and I said I would get them on for him, these time lapses from over the summer of clouds passing and dust storms approaching, haboobs and all that. So let's take a look at those real quick. And as I do, I will let you know that this week, the weather will be cooperating for us for most of the holiday week ahead. Temperatures above average today and tomorrow, a gradual cooling trend for the rest of the week. Things could start to turn a little bit more interesting as we get later into the weekend and toward next week. Perhaps some unsettled weather in here to close out 2020. We'll just have to see. All right, let's dive in and take a look at it. First, yesterday, 69 degrees, the afternoon high. 40 was the morning low. The normal high, 65, the normal low, 44. As we look outside now here at 6:40 a.m., we've got clear sky out there, and we're starting out at 45 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 29, relative humidity 53%. Wind from the east-northeast at 3, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures this morning, 34 the cool spot at Goldfield, 36 in Buckeye, 37 at Fort McDowell and Mesa Gateway, 38 in Gilbert. And there are a few upper 30s, but mostly 40s through much of the metro at this time. Pretty seasonal start to the day. The upper air look, we've got a ridge here across the southwest, and that's going to keep temperatures above average today, but it will begin to flatten out and weaken as we go through the week, allowing more clouds to come in and cooler temperatures. The watch warning map, we've got some winter weather issues up north, the Dakotas and Minnesota, some dense fog from the Texas and Louisiana coast northward up toward Memphis. And the convective outlook for today, very quiet, no severe weather expected across the country, hardly any thunder to be found. And speaking of quiet, boy, this has been the icon of 2020, right? The precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Nothing in the valley, nothing statewide. But just beyond this period, we might see some unsettled weather. We'll talk about it as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. A ridge here across the southwest, a westerly flow aloft. Down at the surface, sunny and warmer today, highs in the mid-70s. Tonight, clear sky, relatively dry air allows overnight lows to drop into the upper 30s in the cooler pockets, low to mid-40s in the urban core. And then tomorrow, we've got a weather system passing to the north of us that should flatten out the ridge a bit. High temperatures fall off a few degrees, upper 60s and low 70s with a few clouds. Here's Wednesday. Our ridge continues to weaken, a mix of sun and clouds in here, high temperatures in the mid and upper 60s. On Thursday, the models continue to sort of teeter-totter on this idea of an upper low or open wave approaching us from the west. And there are a few members in each of the ensembles that try to bring in some precipitation across parts of Arizona. Really doubt that's going to happen. However, a decent amount of mid and high-level clouds around here. I think it might even be mostly cloudy for Christmas Eve. High temperatures, mid and upper 60s. Christmas Day, that low or open wave moves through. Again, some clouds around. Highs somewhere between about 67 and 70. Then the weekend looks pretty nice. Partly cloudy sky for both Saturday and Sunday, and high temperatures each day in the mid and upper 60s. Overnight lows this time, upper 30s to mid 40s. Looks practically perfect, other than the fact that we really could use some rain. Now, speaking of, let's go to a week from today. This is Monday, the 28th. And the GFS showing a pretty impressive trough swinging through the southwestern states. A rather progressive system, but still, there could be some moisture, some scattered rain and snow showers across northern Arizona. I really don't know how much moisture this system is going to be able to tap into this far south. At this point, I would say our chances of rain are pretty small with this. But we'll keep an eye on it. One thing it will do is bring in some breezy conditions and cooler temperatures. High temperatures should fall back perhaps into the upper 50s to mid 60s if that's right. And let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday the 30th. Another system moving into the Pacific Northwest. A westerly flow here. Temperatures pretty close to average. Some clouds around, and that's about it. All right, looking at rainfall for the next couple of weeks off of the European Ensemble here in Phoenix. Yes, this does go into 2021. And of the 51 members in the ensemble, the majority of them are showing some degree of precipitation in here. The ensemble mean, though, is still pretty small, about 0.15 of an inch. The control member, around 1/4 of an inch. We'll watch for the trends, though, see if we can get some rain in here before the end of the year. We could sure use it. And temperatures off the national blend of models after today and tomorrow. Highs mostly in the 60s, lows in the 40s. Of course, the cooler spots get down in the 30s. Pretty typical weather to close out the month of December. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an amazing Monday.